Hello dear viewers, you are most welcome. This is L.JARED2 Mathematics channel. Tonight I want us to go through this item, labeled item 002 of our mathematics ordinary level. So let us begin by reading the tasks below it. So for part A, it reads, help the family administrator to know how much will each child take given that Vega had property worth UGX 6 million. Then for part B, what percentage of Mr. Vega's property was allocated to his family? So far in the task we have only two parts. We have part A and then part B. So having read the task, let us now go back and read the scenario. The scenario reads, in Kamati village, Mr. Vega had 6 children, of whom we have Abud, Isaac, James, Ashraf, Muhammad, and Tina. He made his will and kept it with a friend. After his death, children were fighting for the property as the elder son wanted to claim 50% as the heir. The lawyer saved the situation by reading the will. Tina was given 10% of the property, so it is important to note this. The remaining property was shared among the boys and the wife. Abdu was given a fifth, Isaac was given 15%, James was given 20%, Ashraf was given 5%, and Muhammad was given 20%. The remainder was given to the wife. So now having read the scenario, you can now go back and then begin on writing the solution. So let us begin with our part A of the question, which requires to determine how much each child got as a share. So let us begin by getting the share that Tina got. Tina got 10% in this statement here of the property, but they say the property is worth UGX 6 million. So we can talk of the amount we have, which is the UGX 6 million. Then let us begin by getting the Tina's share. Tina, they said, got 10%, which is the same as 10 out of 100, multiplied by the wealth, which is 6 million. So this is giving me 600,000. So that is for Tina. You can now proceed and get for another child. Let us get for Abdu. They say that Abdu got a fifth of the remainder, but before that, what is the remainder? So the remainder is just going to be the 6 million, take away the 600,000. So this is giving me 5,400,000. Then they are saying that Abdu got a fifth of the remainder, which is the 5,400,000. So when I compute this, I'm getting the result to be 1,080,000. So this is now the share for Abud. We can now proceed and get the share for the next child. Probably let us get for Isaac. In the question, it reads that Isaac got 15%, which is the same as 15 divided by the 100, multiplied by the remainder, which is 5,400,000. So if I compute this, I'm getting 810,000 as the share for Isaac. You can now proceed and get the share for the next child, and that is James. They say that James got 20%, which is same as 20 out of 100, multiplied by the remainder, which is 5,400,000. So when I compute this, I'm getting 1,080,000. So this is now the share for James. You can now proceed and get the share for the next child, that is Ashraf. In the scenario that Ashraf got 5%, which is same as 5 divided by 100, multiplied by the remainder, which is 5,400,000. So this gives the answer or the result to be the 270,000 as the share for Ashraf. You can now get the share for the last child, and that is none other than Muhammad, who got 20%, which is same as 20 divided by 100, multiplied by the 5,400,000. So this is giving me the result to be 1,080,000. So this is the share for Muhammad. Since for part A is asking for the how much each child got, we can therefore go ahead and conclude, according to our calculations, that therefore Tina, so we have Tina, Abdu, Isaac, James, Ashraf and Muhammad got UPX 600,000, that is for Tina. Then Abdu got 1,080,000, followed by Isaac, who got UPX 810,000, followed by James, who got 1,080,000, followed by Ashraf, who got 270,000, and the last one, which is Muhammad, who got 1,080,000 respectively. So now for part A, this becomes our conclusion. We can now proceed to part B of our question. Part B requires us to calculate the percentage that the wife got as a share. But before that, we can first go ahead and determine how much the wife got. Simply, we can now get the wife share, which we are just going to get the 6 million, take away the sum of the shares that all the children got. So we can now get the 600,000 plus the 1,080,000, but we can see that this one was got by the 3 children. You can multiply by 3 simply, then plus the 810,000 plus the 270,000. So simply this one's giving us now the 6 million. Take away the 4,920,000. When I compute, I'm getting the share of the wife to be 1,080,000. So this is the share of the wife. But they want us to get the percentage share that the wife got. So to get the percentage, simply we are going to get the amount that the wife got as a share, which is the 1,080,000, divided by the total wealth, which is the 6 million, then multiplied by 100, because we are taking it to a percentage. So this is the same as having the 0.18 as I divide the 1,080,000 by 6 million, then multiplied by the 100%. So when I compute, this is giving me 18%. So I can now go ahead and conclude that therefore the wife got 18% of Mr. Rubega's property. So now this becomes the correct answer for part B. And if this video has been of value or helped you, kindly subscribe to our channel, L.JARED Mathematics channel, for more videos of mathematics in form of items, scenarios, and tutorials. See you again next time. Goodbye.